Cross-merchandising refers to the display of opposite and unrelated products together to earn additional revenues for the store. Products from different categories are kept together in one place for the customers to find the relation among them and pick up all. According to cross-merchandising, unrelated products are displayed together. The retailer makes profits by linking products that are not related in any sense and belong to different categories. Cross-merchandising helps the customers to know about the various options which would complement their product. Cross-merchandising makes shopping a pleasurable experience as it saves customers precious time. Examples of cross-merchandising: mobile covers are displayed next to mobile phones. Recharge coupons with new SIM cards. Batteries with electronic appliances. Neckties or cuff links are displayed with men's shirts. Fashion jewelry, rings, anklets, handbags with female dresses. Shoelaces, shoe shiners, shoe racks with shoes. Audio CDs with CD players. According to cross-merchandising, through cross-merchandising, the retailer smartly tries his level best to convince the customers to buy additional products apart from his existing list. Important tips for cross-merchandising: the opposite products should be sensibly displayed for the customers to be able to relate to them. The merchandise should be neatly arranged without giving a cluttered look to the store. The merchandise must complement each other to create the desired impact. The retailer must make sure the products have some logical connection with each other. Displaying neckties with laptops would make no sense and fail to excite the customers. The customer would purchase either of the two, either the laptop or the necktie depending on his need, but would never purchase both. However, if laptop bags are kept with laptops, there are chances that the customer might pick up both products. Use hangers, pegs, mannequins or suitable fixtures to intelligently display the unrelated goods and prompt the customer to pick all of them. Do it in your retail store and increase additional sales.